Hi, I'm Esther. I have been living and working in Singapore for the last 6 years in the corporate space in marketing. More recently, just after joining the Musicpath course, I decided to take a break and do something different. And I have been traveling across Asia in Sri Lanka, India, and most recently Japan, re-exploring creativity and looking at what else I want to do with my life. So during this process, I've also been making a song and being part of this course. So it's really a new phase of life. Music has always been part of my life. So when I was younger, I played the violin and I was in orchestras, and it was, I would say, a way I expressed myself. And when I went to university, classically during the years, I ended up taking a break, and actually I lost some of the skills of music, knowing how to read music, having the kind of fundamentals down. And I think that's meant that it's been hard to find a community of people to re-engage with music and starting this journey again. More recently, I've been doing some sound healing, and I've been working with a mentor with my voice. But this course has really encouraged me to go back to my original instrument and also learn a new way of looking at music from an expanded perspective. I think the transformation's been huge. The fact that we're all here today doing a showcase, that I'm going to be performing a little bit with my violin. I've found a new violin teacher and started from the beginning again. And that's really hard. I think transformation is being able to be vulnerable and re-engage as a beginner. And that was definitely something hard for me to get across, but I'm excited to be on the journey and carrying on with music. That being said, also a huge transformation in learning a new skill. So being able to use technical skills through Ableton and even be able to create my own song is not only personally really exciting, but it also opens my mind to how I could apply these techniques across, whether it's creating soundscapes for sound healing sessions, or even promoting myself and using sound through social media or other aspects. Oh, it's so fun. It's a wonderful community of people. And the amazing part is it's just a very structured course that goes end to end. So you start with your concept, move through to songwriting, and then learning editing and mixing. And then at the end, there's a showcase. So it really pushes you to explore and to follow through with something from concept to actually releasing a song. And I think that that's pretty unique. And you get to experience and bounce ideas of other people. And even though the concepts are different, the end result is being a wide range of really interesting music.